Multi-streaming should be easy and free. If you're paying for it, stop. If you don't know how to do it, we'll show you how to do it here in just a second. So multi-streaming, streaming to more than one platform at once. Let's say you want to stream to Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Trovo, Facebook, whatever. There's a lot of services out there that will allow you to do this. Most of them ask you to pay for it. Streamlabs asks you to pay for it for you to be able to do it with Streamlabs. Restream allows you to do 2 accounts, anything over that, and you have to pay for it. Don't do this, by the way. There is a plugin in OBS, and we'll get into that here in just a second, that allows you to do this to as many accounts as you want, and it stream to as many places as you want. Before we get to that, though, if you guys could, if any of my videos help you out in any way, if you could, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, put a comment down in the comment section. You know, all that stuff helps push the video out with that YouTube algorithm and whatnot. So anyway, that being said, let's get into OBS and how to set this up and get it started. So like with all the other stuff, all the links and everything like that that I use is going to be down in the description. For this one, we're going to do multiple RTMP output plugin. This does work for 28, and it does work for below 28. All you have to do is go into the revisions and do that. But you're going to go ahead and download it. It is in Japanese. I've tested this. It works. If you want to know what this says, you just right-click anywhere on the page and then tell it to translate to whatever language you're translating it to. So you go down to here. You can use it in for OBS in portable mode, or you can do the EXE. We're going to go with the EXE. It may ask you, depending on your firewall or your virus settings, it may say, hey, this isn't safe. Do you want to keep it? Yes, it's safe. I ran it multiple times through several different online things, and there's no virus or anything like that in it. So we're going to go ahead and click keep, and then we're going to run it. I've already got this installed, so we're going to hit install, and you can see the details right here. But we reinstalled it, going to hit close, and then it looks like it didn't do anything. So we're going to open up OBS, and immediately when you open OBS, you're going to see this dock right here that says multiple outputs. Let's make this a little bit bigger. You're going to see this dock right here. Now you'll see right here that I've already got 3 set up, but we're going to go through this really quick. So YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, whatever, you know, whatever, TikTok, or whatever you need to do. The first thing you need to know with this plugin is that you need to have your default stream set up. So go to your stream right here inside of OBS, and you're going to set up your default one. You need one stream set up as your primary. This is the one that is going to allow RTMP to pick up the fact that you're streaming. Once it does that, you can start the other ones and allow it to stream. So what that means is, for right here, for this example, we're going to start up YouTube, and we're going to start streaming, right? And then once it starts streaming, once you're broadcasting, you start these other ones up right here by just clicking the start button. But first, you need to make these. To make these, all you have to do is hit this add new target right here, and you'll come up with this screen right here. You're going to name your target, and we'll just name it Facebook or YouTube again, right? You don't need to do this. You don't need to do YouTube twice unless you're multi-streaming to multiple YouTube channels. But this is for the example. YouTube, we're going to name it. You need to find your RTMP server. That's the name inside of YouTube, and I'll show you that here in just a second. If you go into your YouTube channel and go ahead and create content or create video and go live, you'll be come to this screen right here, right? This is your encoder key, and then your stream, your URL for your stream, the server that it's going to. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back to OBS, and your RTMP server, we're going to paste it right there. For your key, same thing. Go back to it. Copy your stream key right here, and then you're going to paste that right here. I'm not going to paste it, but that's where you'll paste it. For username and password, you're really not going to need these because it's capturing a stream, and you're using the RTMP server and the RTMP key. Video settings, these are all, it's saying that get all this from OBS. So if you have your encoder set up for like NVENC or H.264 or whatever the case may be, it'll grab everything from OBS. Same thing with your audio settings, your encoder, your bitrate, your audio tracks, all that stuff it'll grab. So you don't really have to worry about from username and password down. Just your YouTube, your RTP server, and your RTMP key or your stream key. Click OK, and then you're done. If you accidentally click out of it, like I just did, you can actually get it back by going up to Docks right here, and then go down to multiple output, and it'll show it back up. So now that you know how to set them up, you can set up as many of those as you want, as long as your computer has the power to handle that many streams, and your upload rate for your ISP is able to handle that. A lot of the ISPs, unless they're fiber, a lot of the ISPs cap you at anywhere between 30 and 50 megabits per second up. And uploads are what you need to do for your streaming. That bit rate is your upload speed. Unless you're using fiber, where it's 1,000 up, 1,000 down, you need to keep an eye on how much you're streaming. But anyway, go ahead and click on Start Streaming, and then once you start streaming, you'll go to your dock right here, and then you'll hit Start on the ones that you were doing. If you're streaming, your initial stream down here is to YouTube, you don't need to start up YouTube. You just need to start up Twitch, Facebook, and whatever other one you're using. Now, when it comes to naming your stream for Twitch, Facebook, TikTok, whatever other ones you're doing, Trovo, or any of the other ones, you do actually manually have to go inside of Facebook, Twitch, and everything like that, and use their stuff to name it. There is no way to name right now with this plugin. There is no way to name anything other than the stream that you're using to catch the feed. So let's say you were going into Twitch, right? Your main one is YouTube, so you can manage broadcast where you name it and everything like that, right? And then you hit Start Streaming. For like Twitch, you would need to go into Twitch, use your phone or whatever thing you're using, and actually name it, tell it what game, and everything like that. Another thing, when you're doing it this way, you're not going to get all the chats from all of the other ones. You actually need to dock those chats in. So if you go up to Docks right here and you go to Chat, right? This is like your YouTube chat. If I can get it to dock, there we go. That's like your YouTube chat, right? Now you can take it and go custom browser dock, and you can do like the Twitch chat, and we'll show you how to do this really quick. So you would go into your Twitch account, and you'd go over here to the chat, your stream manager, chat, all that good stuff. These three little dots, just click pop out, and then this URL right here, copy it, Docks, custom new browser dock, give the dock a name, let's say Twitch chat, right? And then give it the URL and apply. And now you have your Twitch dock. You are going to have to log in with your login right here. Once you log in, it'll show your Twitch chat. You can do that with Facebook, TikTok, all that stuff. I know that you'll have three chats here, but that's really the only way to get that to work using this plugin. But you'd see it right here, and then right here. If you have any questions, I know I went through that kind of quick, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I am putting my my Discord in the description, so that's probably the better way to get a hold of me, that or Twitter. If you guys have any questions, as always, put them in the comment section. Again, it helps with the pushing the video out, engagement, and all that good stuff. If you come up with any issues, let me know. I can help you work through them. I've been helping just about everybody that I can work through their issues that, comment on my videos or whatnot. So that's multiple streaming to multiple platforms with OBS plugin where you don't have to pay for it. Hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Again, if any of my stuff helps you or you like the fact that you actually learned something from my videos, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the